Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have an exciting networking product to review. It's the ienRon 8 ports 2.5G Ethernet switch with a 10G SFP slot. We'll take an in-depth look at its features, performance, and why it might be a great addition to your network setup. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly take a look at the product itself. As you can see, it comes in a compact metal design, and it's completely fanless, which is great for noise-sensitive environments. The first standout feature of this switch is its incredible speed. It boasts 8 by 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports and a 10G SFP slot, which means it's designed for super-fast connections. It supports 10 101,000m 2.5G adaptive and auto 1501 MDIX. Another unique feature is the one-key VLAN mode. This allows you to separate ports 1 to 4 and communicate solely with SFP optical ports. It's a great feature for enhancing network security and optimizing port bandwidth utilization. If you're tired of slow network performance, you'll love this switch. It delivers 2.5 times faster network speeds compared to traditional gigabit switches, with a switching capacity of up to 60 gigabits per second. This ensures smooth and efficient network operation. Setting up this switch is a breeze. It's an unmanaged plug-and-play device, meaning you can simply plug in the power cable and connect your devices without any complex configurations. The switch features a sturdy metal housing that provides excellent durability and heat dissipation. And since it's fanless, it operates silently, making it suitable for various environments. The ienRon 8 ports 2.5G Ethernet switch is highly versatile and fully compatible with various devices, including 2.5G NAS, 4K video equipment, gaming PCs, and more. It's suitable for a wide range of settings, such as shopping malls, schools, and small businesses. Now, let's put this switch to the test and see how it performs in a real-world scenario. We'll transfer some large files and measure the data transfer speeds. After conducting several tests, it's clear that this switch delivers on its promise of high-speed performance. Whether you're streaming 4K videos, gaming, or transferring large files, it handles it all with ease. To sum it up, the ienRon 8 ports 2.5G Ethernet switch is a powerful and versatile networking solution. Its speed, one-key VLAN feature, and ease of use make it a fantastic choice for those seeking an upgrade in their network setup. If you're interested in upgrading your network to 2.5G speeds and want a reliable, plug-and-play solution, I highly recommend checking out the ienRon 8 ports 2.5G Ethernet switch. You can find a link in the description below to get more information and make a purchase. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.